I'm a bad writer. Why am I wasting time? I can't write anymore. I've covered this topic before. Why writing is so difficult?
Don't worry, we have plenty of blog post format ideas, but before that, subscribe this channel so we can proceed with this video. Have you ever searched about how to lose weight or how to get abs or maybe how to reset your iPhone? This is a popular blog format that never gets old. It basically defines a process or gives steps to achieve something. This blog format is ideal for product-based marketing blogs that we will discuss in a separate video. This one is mostly used by websites that tend to share informational posts, like you would have searched what is Friendship Day or what is a blog post. You can use this format if you plan to describe things in brief. This one tends to describe the reasons, like why try or not to try something. Like you would have searched why hire cleaners or why join Oxford, etc. And ideally this format helps service-based businesses. Over the years, our reading habits have changed so much. We don't want to burden our eyes with so much work. And listicles make things easy for us. Like if you want to add a flair of fun in your writing, you can opt for listicles, which is basically a list of a particular personality, a phenomena, or a place. And yes, it works for both service and product-based marketing. Yeah, it is true that excessive reliance on internet has made the humankind a little dull. But you know what? This has given us, the content writers, another blog post format. Yeah, like we can use this format to help someone in preparing for the interview, or we can give them a list or to recommend something to select a service or purchase a product. Yeah, it looks like listicles, but more focused on asking questions and then later providing on solutions or answers against those questions. And you can use this format for service-based marketing. Our next category is more famous for medical related or home remedies articles. Like if you type benefits of in the search bar, you'll be provided with numerous results suggesting you to reduce weight or get a fairer skin tone or something like that. But as a content writer, you should not stop experimenting with other niches using this format, because this is an essential quality of content writer, that he keeps experimenting with his writing styles. As a content writer, your aim is to write so the company gets sales, and for that you have to describe the positive aspects of their service or products. Like you can make a list of positive points about their service or product and form a blog around it using that information. Contrary to positive aspects, we use negative aspect format to pinpoint the negative points about the same product or service. We don't directly mention a company or a product, but write in general to highlight the bad experiences with that same kind of service or product. Just type negative aspects of and add any company, service, or brand name, and you'll get an idea what I'm talking about. This blog post format is used to review 2 or more things. Like the idea is to give your readers a comparison between a product or a service. Like you can write difference between, or just write which is better and add a word of your choice, and you'll get to know how other writers have used this format. Like how to format, we can also write a blog post to describe different ways to do something, like 5 different ways to play the guitar or 3 ways to tie a tie. Do like and share in your circle if you found this video helpful. Do support by subscribing this channel so I can produce more helpful content. Till then, happy writing.